against typhoon and friends.
The typhoon of last year has destroyed the glass window of my house. It can't be happen again this year. I've heard that applying adhesive tape can help to protect the glass window. I must hurry up to go to the supermarket to buy the adhesive tape.
Where do you go?
Typhoon is coming! I'm going to buy the adhesive tape!
Why do you go to buy?
Because it could protect the glass window.
What? So weird.
Well, if you don't trust me, let's go to have an experiment.
Okay, as you like.
I will compare the weight of 800 grams to the wind of the typhoon. First, let's try the effect of non-adhesive tape on the glass. The glass broke due to vibration when the weight fell, because there is no tape protection. The glass fragments that caused the rupture were scattered around the ground. The middle part of the glass is the most vulnerable. So that cloth paste method has a great protection. It not only can increase the toughness of the glass, but also resists large wind pressure and prevents splashing around when the glass breaks. The distribution of velvet is also relatively uniform. If the glass breaks once, it can prevent crack enlargements. To make the glass window not so easy to break, the average distribution of the tape range is important. When the rice word is attached to the window, the coverage area is larger, so the effect will be better, can increase structural strength. Endurance will be stronger. In this experiment, we can know that adhesive tape does protect the glass window. Rice word paste method and the coarse paste method are the best. The second one is well paste method. Non-adhesive tape is the last.
Wind power is balanced and continuous in occur. In your experiments, the wind only falls in the middle of the glass. It only focuses on one place and happens in an instant. Applying adhesive tape on the glass is the product no temperature glass age. At time, the window is dominated by wood frame windows, and the size of window is smaller, so that the area of the window covering by the tape would be wider. It does have a certain strengthening effect on the strength of the glass, but in your experiment, the cause of the glass breakage is because of the hardness and brittleness of the wind, and not caused by the wind and the impact force of the wind. The main reason of glass breakage is that the wind speed is too high, lead to a glass vibration. If the frequency oscillates and the natural vibration frequency of the glass is the same, it will occur resonance effect. Shatter the glass. Now, I will also use the weight of 800 grams wands to impact the glass, and with non-adhesive tape, but I will outsource a layer of contact in the wind. Let me prove my points to you.
There are three elements that shatter the glass when typhoon hits. First point is when the glass hit by foreign object, it will be crushed. The second point is to make the glass vibrate. If the resonance is wasted, the glass will shatter. And the resonance effect mentioned in the second point has already explained it in the beginning of the video. The third point, wind pressure, is what I'm going to talk about now.
Wind pressure is mainly due to a principle in physics, Bernoulli principles. We divide the area where the typhoon passes into two places. One is outdoor. The velocity of flow in outdoor is bigger. And the other one is indoor, and the velocity of flow in indoor is smaller. We can know that the pressure is smaller when it is in the place of bigger velocity of flow, and the pressure is bigger when it is in the place of smaller velocity of flow. So the pressure difference pushes the glass outward. Eventually, the glass falls from outside. The Bernoulli's principle has an equation.
You see, actually, applying adhesive tape is useless. We should not waste our money, time, and resources to do these useless things. The most useful method is to strengthen the thickness of the glass. Do you know what is the differences between the typhoon land on west and east of Macau?
I'm not sure, but I've been thinking of this question for a long time. Let's go for an experiment.
Okay, let's go!
When a typhoon landed from the east of Macau, the wind will blow in the inland. Typhoon landed from the west of Macau, the wind will blow along the coast. In these two situations, what is the intensity and impact of the typhoon winds made? Which kind of power is more powerful? We will conduct an experiment. A conclusion is drawn between the two. Typhoon landed from the west of Macau. The wind will blow along the coast. No object obstruction, so that there's no friction. And there will be a storm surge. Therefore, the typhoon wind blown from the sea is relatively strong. When the typhoon landed from the east of Macau, the wind will blow in the inland. There will be friction when passing the ground. Weakens the wind power of the typhoon. First on land, no water vapor to provide enough energy. Therefore, the wind from the inland typhoon is relatively weak.